Good day, my dear grade 10 students, and welcome again with our lecture video. So in this topic, we will discuss about the sum of arithmetic sequence and its notation symbols. So the sum of arithmetic sequence is also called as arithmetic series or a series. A series is an indicated sum of terms in a sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 is an arithmetic sequence. And if we're going to add these terms of an arithmetic sequence, that is what we call the arithmetic series. So, furthermore, an arithmetic series refers to the sum of the terms in a given arithmetic sequence. So the S sub n is a notation used for arithmetic series, where S is the sum and n is the first nth term, and then summation notation is also used to express arithmetic series. So as you can see, we have S sub n. It is being read as S sub n, where S is indicated as the sum and the subscripted n is the nth term. So it can be read as sum of the first nth term. If we have S sub 3, so S is the sum, 3 is the first 3 terms. So it can be read as the sum of the first 3 terms. And the same with, if we have S sub 10, it can be read also as the sum of the first term, where S signifies as the sum of the sequence and the 10 is the first 10 terms. So we have here the summation and sigma notation. The sigma notation is used to express the sum of an arithmetic series more easily and conveniently, like the series 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus ellipsis plus 20. It can be also expressed as like this. We have a summation or the sigma symbol here, and this can be read as the sum of 2n as n goes from 1 to 10. So it can be read again can be read as the sum of the 2n as n goes from 1 to 10. So as you can see, n here is 10 is the last value of n, and the 2n is our formula of our arithmetic sequence, the formula of getting the terms of an arithmetic sequence. And in the lower part of the sigma symbol, it is the first term of the n. Kaning naa sa ubos dire sa sigma nga symbol, that is the first term of the n, or the number of terms. Okay, let us proceed. So here is the thing that we have to remember. This is the notation used for finding the sum of the terms in a given arithmetic series. So there are two notations for the sum of arithmetic sequence or arithmetic series. So we have S sub n can be read as the n or the sum of the n term, and we have the symbol sigma or the summation symbol. So let's try to have an example number 1. In the arithmetic sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, ellipsis, find the S sub 10. So ang atong pangitawon ani is the first 10 terms of arithmetic sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So what we're going to do is to just add the first 10 terms, starting from 1 as the first term. So we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 and plus 10. So we have to only add the first 10 terms. We have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. And the summation or the sum of the 10 term, we have S sub 10. Since you are going to ask, or you are asked to find the 10 terms, the first 10 terms, that is equal to 55. So the sum of the first 10 terms of the arithmetic sequence is 55. Okay? So for example, number 2, in the arithmetic sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 100. So we are asked again to find the first 20 term of this arithmetic series. So we are asked to find the S sub 20, or the summation of first 20 terms of the series. Ano na siya? So atong buhaton is to find the sum of the first 20 terms. So we have S sub 20, that is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20. Okay, so we have the first 20 terms of the arithmetic sequence. So atong buhaton again is just to add the 20 terms. So one, using calculator or mano-mano lang, you can, and the result will be 210. So therefore, the sum of the first 20 terms of the arithmetic sequence 1 up to 100 is 210. So dali lang, i-add nato tanan ang mga terms sa arithmetic sequence, so that will be the summation of a given arithmetic sequence. So let us proceed for our example number 3. So find the sum of arithmetic series expressed by summation of 7n minus 5, where n goes from 1 up to 10. Okay, so summation of 7n minus 5, where n goes from 1 up to 10. Okay, so this is ang 1 nato dire is diri ta mag-start sa atong n, and the upper part of the sigma or summation symbol 10, that is the last term nga i-substitute nato sa atong formula nga 7n minus 5. Atong buhaton is to equate this one as first natong buhaton is i-substitute nato ang n by 1 up to maabot siya og 10. So we have 7, ang n is 10, or 1 minus 5 plus another na pod 7 using kani gyapon nga formula, this formula. So 7 substitute na pod og 2 kay nag-start sa 1 as the first term. So next substitute na pod nato as 2 minus 5 plus again gamito na pod ang formula, 7 plus 3 na minus 5 na pod plus 7 times 4 minus 5 plus 7 times 5 minus 5 plus 7 times 6 minus 5 and plus 7 times 7 minus 5 plus 7 times 8 minus 5 plus 7 times 9 minus 5 and plus 7 times 10 minus or times 10 minus 5. So diri ra ta mag-end sa 10 as the value of n kay tama raman ang from 1 to the 10th term sa atong series nga or sa atong arithmetic formula nga 7n minus 5. So pila man ang result? So the first term is pila man siya? First term, second term, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh term, eighth term, ninth term, and 10th term. So pila man atong first term? 7 times 1, 7 minus 5 equals 2. First term na to na siya. Plus second term is equal to 7 times 2 is equal to 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. So using the kaning duha nato ka term, makuha na nato ang iyang common difference. So unsa gay itong common difference? The common difference is equal to a sub 2 minus the preceding a sub 1. Since na naman tayo a sub 2 and a sub 1, is 9 minus 2. So ang atong common difference nila is 9 minus 2, that is equal to D. Ang mabuha, mahitabuan we can get the succeeding term of 9 by adding 7, kay since may common difference, by adding 7 sa atong term. So 9 plus 7, that is equal to, pila man itong iadan 9 plus 7, 16. Let us see kung 16 ba ni siya. Kay third term man ang third term na to is 21 minus 5 is equal to 16. The same process, ada na pud nato og para makuha natong succeeding term, ada na tong preceding term by 7. So we have 23 plus 7 again, 30 plus 7, 37. Plus 7 is equals to 44. Plus 7 that is equal to 51. Plus 7 is equal to 58. Plus 7 that is equal to 65. Now, nakuha na nato ang the first 10 terms of our arithmetic sequence having the formula of 7n minus 5. So, atong buhaton na is to add the first 10 terms of our arithmetic sequence. So, 2 plus 9 plus 16 plus 24 plus 30 plus 37 plus 44 plus 51 plus 58 plus 50 or plus 65, that is equal to 335 all in all. So therefore, the summation of 7n minus 5, where n goes from 1 up to 10, is equal to 335. Okay, so before proceeding to our next topic, let us have our fourth example. So example number 4. Find the sum of the first 15 even terms or even numbers and express it with summation notation. So we have our solution. So unsa nga or number ang nag-start or the first even number sa atong numbers? Starts with 2. Next is 4. So ang atong gipangitaan ni ang first 15 even numbers. So we have 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. So nabot na ba siya og 15 even terms? So let us try. 1, 2, or first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 terms. So 15 even numbers na siya. So now, ang atong pangita diri ang find the sum and express this given arithmetic sequence in summation notation. So unsa nato na pagkuhang summation notation? First is to find the general rule or the formula of this arithmetic sequence. Unsa man nato pagkuha sa formula sa atong arithmetic sequence by using the general rule of arithmetic sequence. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So using this one, makuha nato ang iyang equation or the formula sa atong kininga sequence. So where a sub 1 is the first term, ang n is the number or pila na ka book terms diha, mao na atong n. And d is the common difference. Unsa nato pagkuha ang common difference? Common difference, makuha na siya by subtracting the succeeding term by the preceding term. So using kani. So ang succeeding is 4, ang preceding niya is 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, the common difference is 2. Now, naa naman tayo a sub 1 which is 2. Kini, mao na itong a sub 1 over the first term. And the number of terms, makuha na to ni siya by by counting the terms. So pila man siya kabuok? 15 ni siya. So therefore atong n is equal to 15. So substitute this one. Namantay a sub 1 as equal to 2, n is equal to 15, and d is equal to 2. So substitute, we have 2 plus n is equal to 15 minus or dili na nato siya kuno ang 15. N ra ni siya n. Para makuha nato ang general formula sa atong arithmetic sequence. So n minus 1 times d, which is equal to 2. Okay? We have 2, bring down 2, plus distributive property, we have 2 times n is equal to 2n. Next is 2 minus 1. 2 times negative 1 is equal to negative 2. Combining like terms, unsa may parihan yag terms, ang 2 and negative 2. So by adding that one, mahimo siya 0. So ang mabili na lang is 2n. So therefore, ang atong formula is equal to 2n. We have a sub n is equal to 2n. Now, nakuha na nato ang iyang formula sa atong arithmetic sequence. So, makuha na nato ang iyang summation notation as written as summation of 2n, ano yung formula to? 2n as n goes from 1 up to 15. So magsugod siya sa 1, maabot og taman ra siya og ika-15 nga term. So that will be equal to 240. You can check if 240 ba siya by adding the 15th term. Kini siya from 2 to 30. I-add na siya. That will be equal to 240. Okay? Now let us proceed to our next topic. This is what we call solving problems in finding the sum of arithmetic sequence. So we have the formula in getting the sum of arithmetic series. A sub n is equal to n minus 2 times a sub 1 or the first term plus a sub n or the last term. So n is the number of terms, a sub n the last term, and a sub 1 also called as the first term. And the second formula, we have a sub n equals n minus 2 times 2 a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. That is the second formula in finding the sum of arithmetic sequence. Now, nganong importante man ni siya nga formula in finding the arithmetic series? Importante ni siya for us para dili ta malistudan og add or getting the sum of all the terms, especially kung maabot na ta og 100, from 1 to 100. Pila man na siya. If we are asked to find the sum of the term from 1 up to the 100 term. So it takes a lot of time para i-add na to na siya kay magsugod tag 1 taman sa 10. Whereas by using this one, this formula is sub kani atong gamiton. Let us try. Okay, so let us try to answer this example. So find the sum of arithmetic sequence. So na natin arithmetic sequence. Kani 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 22, 23, and 25. So find the arithmetic sequence. arithmetic series. Okay? So, again, para dili ta mas lisuran og add ani tanan nila, so we can use a shortcut or the shortcut way in finding the sum of the arithmetic sequence nga kana siya. Aside from adding this one kay it takes a lot of time or more time para makuha na siya. So we will use this formula a sub n minus n minus 2 times a sub 1 over the first term plus a sub n. Now, before nato ni siya magamiton, let us find first asa ang first term or the a sub n. Ang a sub n nato is 3. Kini mo ning a sub n. And our a sub n or the last term, pila man ning last term nato? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So ang last term nato 12. That is equal to 25. Our n is equal to 12. Kay ang number of terms 12 man sila kabuok nga terms. So since nakuha na nato na siya, we can now substitute the given to our formula. So we have s sub n or the s sub 12. Kaya ang n nato is 12 man. So the summation of the first 12 terms sa atong sequence. Okay, we have n as 12 over 2 times a sub 1 pila? 3. And a sub n or the last term, that is equal to 25. Next, 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6 times 3 plus 5 is equal to 28. So now, the sum of the first 12 terms of the arithmetic sequence is equal to 168 by multiplying 6 times 28. Okay, so another example. Example number 2. Find the sum of the arithmetic sequence whose a sub n or a sub 1 is equal to 2, n is equal to 10, and a sub n is equal to negative 52. Again, we will use the formula a s sub n equals n minus 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. And find for n, pila man atong n? 10 ang n. Sige, 10 atong n, ang a sub n or a sub 10 is equal to negative 51 and the first term is equal to 2. Substitution. So therefore, to pangitawon ang first 10 terms, ang n is 10. 10 over 2 since n is equal to 10 times a sub 1, 2 plus a sub n or a sub 10 that is equal to negative 52. Next is to divide divide 10 by 2 is equal to 5. So 5 plus negative 52 is equal to negative 50. So therefore, the summation of arithmetic sequence, the first 10 arithmetic sequence is equal to negative 250 by multiplying 5 times negative 50. Nana rin na siya. So lastly, last example. Find the sum of the sequence expressed by summation of 2n minus 1 as n starts from 1 up to 15. So again, using the formula given, S sub n equals n minus 2 plus or times a sub 1 plus a sub n. So ang a sub n, ang n nato dire is equal to 15. Nganong 15 man kay 15 man ang first kaniman, ang last term nato is 15 man, so ang n nato is 15. 15 equals 15 minus 2 times unsa matong a sub 1 using this given formula. So we have a sub 1 is equal to 2, ang n is equal to 1 plus or minus rather minus 1 plus the n term, we have 2 times ang last term, ang last term na to, or ang n is equal to 15 na tong n, minus 1 siya. Next is to find the product of, or find the value of a sub n and a sub 1 and the a sub 15. So we have 15 over 2 is equal to 2 times 1 is equal to 2 minus 1 plus 2 times 15 is equal to 30. 30 minus 1. We have 15 over 2 times 2 times 1, 2 minus 1, 1 plus 30 minus 1 is equal to 29. So we have 15 over 2 times 30. So 15 times 30, 15 times 30 divided by 2, that is equal to 225. So therefore, the sum of the first 15 term of arithmetic sequence 2n minus 2 is equal to 225. So that's how it goes. So let us try to have a last example para magamit nato ang katong ikaduha nato nga formula in finding the sum of arithmetic series. So last example, find the sum of the first 20 terms in a sequence whose first term is equal to negative 5 and the common difference is equal to 3. Now, we cannot use the first formula given to you, ahaman to siya, na this formula, dili nato ni siya magamit since unknown man wala man nato mahibali kung unsa ang a sub n. Okay, ano ni siya? So therefore, the second formula ang atong magamit, which is a sub n is equal to n over 2 times 2 a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So mo ni siya to magamit again because unknown atong a sub n, at the same time kuan given na pod ang atong d, which is the common difference 3. So kanatong gamiton. So we have s sub n, or s, ang n na to 20 term man, so therefore 20 na siya. Again, 20 over 2 times 2. Ang a sub 1 of the first term is negative 5. Negative 5 plus n is 20 minus 1 times d is 3. 20 minus 2, or 20 divided by 2, that is equal to 10. Times 2 times negative 5, kakuha ta og negative 10. Plus 20 minus 1 is equal to 19. 19 times 3, that is equal to 57. 57 equals 10. What is negative 10 plus 47? So atong buhaton ani, since dili sila pareha og sign, negative ang isa kay positive, automatic ato siyang i-subtract. So ang 57 may i-subtract nato siya. 57 minusan og 10, that is equal to 47. Atong gamiton nga sign unsa tong digit nga kuan, unsa tong sign nga dako og digit. Now since ang positive man ang dako og digit, which is 56, so atong gamiton nga sign nato is positive. So 10 times 47, that is equal to 470. So the the sum of the first 20 terms of the sequence, having 5 as the first term and d as 3, is equal to kini 470. So that's all for this topic. So I hope you learn more about it, and hopefully you can answer all the activities inside the modules. So thank you once again, and stay updated with our next lecture video. Thank you and good day everyone.